Greeting everyone. In this video I will show you how to save your tokens about Claude. So the most issue that we face when using the Claude for coding research, for the skills and for the new thing which is Claude design. So I will show you some steps with explanation that it is really matter how to economize your consuming or reducing the tokens consuming by Claude. So we have to-do list, which is the first thing that we need to do, which is run slash context in the chat. So it's gonna be in the first session, and then you need to delete the bloat itself. So for the cloud.md, which is the markdown, always make it under 200 lines to use it as skills for your chat. Another thing that it is really matter, which is you need always starting new session in plan mode, not only in execution mode, just in plan mode, which is to save or you just to note that session is gonna be plan mode. Plan mode is not consuming that much of amount on your session itself. There is another command which is use slash re to drop failed attempts, and also always convert PDFs and docs to markdowns to save the consuming and can analyzing those markdowns files for the cloud. So far so good for resetting just reset at 12% with an hand of summary, and always for researching always using the sub agents. So if you guys make this steps as execution plan, is gonna be you are saving a lot of tokens consuming, and it's gonna be totally worth it, especially for cloud. Day by day is gonna be burning for the tokens, especially for the last models released like Opus 4.7 and also Sonnet per 4.7. So please guys follow up the steps and give me update what's your news or anything that you are facing issues with. I will reply as soon as possible. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Peace.